Hi, my name is Pua Wei Jin, and today I'm going to present on my final project for design tool. So the client for my project is a design studio tool is Andy Goldsworthy, who is a famous British sculptor. He's an environmentalist. He likes to use materials that can be found at surroundings, and he combines those different natural elements to make his sculpture. So from here you can see he used timbers, leaves, water, rocks, uh, uh, yeah, all those. And like from his work, you could see that like different ordering principles like rhythm, datum, repetition. So from there, I got the concept of integration, which also combining together different elements. So the main thing is the nature, which connects with the spaces, materials, and eco-friendly. So the spaces, which means combining the nature combining with spaces, means that uh, applying openings to allow natural light and air to enter to the building. And materials is use of natural materials, and eco-friendly is use solar panels to generate electricity for the building. So for the ordering principles I apply on my building is datum, repetition, rhythms, and transformation. The spatial organization is centralized organization. So these are some of this is the study I did, the stacking greenhouse, which shows the planter box facade, and freebooter housing, which shows the timber lower system to allow natural light and air to enter the building. So for a site response, my building will be placed here, which more towards the trees area and private space, uh, and far away from the public space, which is like the bamboo playhouse site. And the views are mostly on the lakes or the trees. The wind come from the east side, and the sun path is east to the west. So this is my space matrix. The total uh, it is 114 square meter. It consists of living room, bathroom, guest bathroom, toilet, bedroom, guest bedroom, kitchen area, dining area, indoor gallery, and outdoor workspace. So this is the bubble diagram for my building. This is the ground floor level. From here, you could see I applied centralized organization, which all the places is connected uh, surrounding the outdoor workspace. So the orange color one is the private area, and the green is the public area. So all these spaces needs to have like neutral light and air to enter. And some the for this sign is the views that I should apply to building. So this is the level one bubble diagram. So from all these spaces are actually also like visually connected towards the outdoor workspace. So this is the site plan of my building. It's located here. The ground floor level floor plan. So this is the main entrance. There will be like two entrance. One is for like public access to the indoor gallery, and one is for my client and the Goswati. So this is the living area. Then here's the corridor, the kitchen area, the dining area, and the toilet. And this like a open roof garden, small open roof garden, which allows like nature light and air to enter. They are like connected towards this outdoor workspace, where there's a water element which surrounds the space. Because like some of the sculpture applies water, need to have like water to make it sculpture. And the indoor gallery is where the public and people can see some of his artwork. So it is also connected towards the outdoor workspace, where they can see how Andigo would do his work. So from the living area, there's also an access towards the outdoor area where he can see like different views, lake and trees. So this is the level one. Uh, from the stairs, you come here. There's a corridor here. Then you can see through this planter box facade to the outdoor workspace. Then this the master bedroom, the guest bedroom. And the master bedroom can access here the outdoor space where you can also see the views. So there will be a roof here which helps to uh, allow my client to do his work when it's raining. So now this the section XX and the section YY. This will show the indoor gallery, and there's a tree here which like blocks some of the views from the public people towards the main building. And this the details of my this from sections XX. So from here you could see like the planter box varies in the height to allow like eye level views towards the exterior space. And this the solar panel, uh, the composite roof cladding, the structure of the roof, the columns, and there will be a pipe which helps to water, the automatic pipe which helps to water the plants all over the building. And this the timber lures system to show how it's connected. So the timber lures is actually built within a timber frame which is connected to the walls using bolt and nuts. And this the axonometric my building. So I want to show the like my building uses concrete columns and beam structure. This the ground floor level structure, and this the level one structure, and this the roof, roof frame structure and composite roof layer. And this is how the planter box is made. It is using reinforced concrete, and it is directly connected towards the walls. So this is the sectional perspective XX and YY to show like the human proportion in the building. And these are the elevations, shows the planter box facade and timber louvers. From here you could see like the timber louvers are actually like having a curve which shows the rhythm, and the planter box facade allows that this part is for like the stairs part, where when my client walk up the stairs he can actually look at the outdoor area views. And this is the indoor gallery, and so public can actually look some of his work even though it's outside, even though they are from outside. This is soft elevation. And so these are the exterior perspective of my building. This shows the big planter box facade, and this the outdoor area where he can access from the living room. He can still enjoy the views from here, and even though it's raining, this the indoor gallery and the small garden allowing the light and air to enter. And this is the outdoor workspace. So like I said, there's a tree here which like block uh, some of the views from the public to like directly see it towards the building. It's the interior perspective of the living area, and this the indoor gallery, the kitchen area to this the small garden to allow like light and air to enter. And this from the master bedroom, so he can like actually see the outdoor workspace even though he's in the room, so it's like visually connected. So this is my overall board design. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.